One-pot cooking isn't exactly a new idea. Cooking a mix of vegetables, starch, and protein together in one vessel has been a time-saving way to feed people for as long as humans have been cooking. In the United States, interest in one-pot meals surged in the 1950s when more women started to work outside the home. The trend continued into the 1990s when one-pot cookbooks were marketed to families with two working parents. Suddenly, a simple cooking method that had been used throughout history got a rebrand for Americans looking for a fast way to get dinner on the table. The sheet pan dinner is the latest installment in the one-pot trend. This kitchen workhorse has recently seen a rise in popularity thanks to social media. For a fairly simple reason. A sheet pan, carefully arranged with colorful vegetables and protein, is easy to photograph from overhead. So while the terms may vary, one pot, casserole, sheet pan, the idea of cooking everything together has undeniable appeal.
Thanks for watching Cook's Country from America's Test Kitchen. So what'd you think?
Leave a comment and let us know which recipes you're excited to make, or just say hi.
Now you can find links to today's recipes and reviews in the video description.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
See you later.
Alligator.